So student, आज मैं discuss करें about the topic that is cell wall. Last video আমি discuss करिलो about the plasma membrane. So आज मैं discuss करें about the cell wall. Okay. So this cell wall. So cell wall हुनी आही है सर cell wall की है. So first thing that cell wall is what? It is the outer, right? बाहर फिने थाके, right? It is the outer and rigid membrane. It is outer rigid membrane. It is outer rigid membrane. Okay. Wait. It is outer. बाहर फिने थाके and membrane to केने कुआ rigid. So it is outer rigid membrane. Clear? Now what is the function of the cell wall? So the function of the cell wall की होगा? First की दिए था structure दिए. Okay, it provide what? Framework. So then function और कथा कोई ऐसे cell wall और function first function क्या है कोई यहाँ it provide what? It provide framework or you can say then यहाँ की कोई ऐसे cell wall की कोई ऐसे तुम्हार ऐसा structure दिया ऐसे. Okay, so first is provide framework, right? Or you can say structure. It provide framework. ऐसा structure दिया ऐसे ऐसा frame दिया ऐसे, right? So कोने दिया ऐसे cell wall है, काग दिया ऐसे cell wall. Okay, so it provide framework or structure. Then it provide what? It provides strength. Cell of strength लगे, हे strength तो कोने दिए? This is cell wall. So it provide strength. Okay, and the third function will be what? It provide functions हम यहाँ details of poem just मान रखे but main function is what? It provide framework, it provide strength, and it's also it provide what? Protection. Okay, it provide protection क्या करे to the cell. So मान रखे but the most important function of the cell wall is what? It provide to provide framework, to provide strength, to provide protection. Protection दिए तुम्हार लगत strength दिए लगत आरु की दिए framework दिए काग दिए to the cell. Now cell wall discover कुने कोरेले. Okay, who discovers cell wall? कहाँ पढ़ी बा who discovers cell wall? So definitely আমি যেতিয়া cell discover পঢ়িছিলো that who discovered cell the answer to কি আহিছিলে that Robert Hooke, right? And Robert Hooke কি observe কৰিলে that কি পাইছিলে that presence of what? Cell wall और ভিতৰত যিমান organelles বিলাক আছে যিমান cytoplasm যিমান membrane আছে একো দেখা নাছিলে, right? তাত একো present নাছিলে only কি present আছিলে cell wall. Then we can say that the cell wall was discovered by whom? The cell wall was discovered by cell wall discovered by Robert Hooke. Okay, cell wall discovered by whom? Robert Hooke. Clear? Now, এতিয়া cell wall পোৱা যায় ক'ত ক'ত? So the most important thing cell wall পোৱা যায় ক'ত? So the first thing is that animal cell? No, animal cell নাপায়. Okay, so plant cell. Then fungi, then prokaryotes. But prokaryotes accept what? পঢ়াইছিলো already discuss কৰিলো আমি এইবিলাক that cell wall তোমাৰ ক'ত present থাকে. So again মই কৈ দি আছো that cell wall তোমাৰ present থাকে in the plant cell. Okay, fungi. Let me write. So it is found in cell wall is found in where? It is found in plant cell. Okay, fungi, then prokaryotes. So it is found in plant cells, fungi, prokaryotes, except key exception is very important. G ko note, exception is very important. Except what? Except mycoplasma is the smallest cell, right? So what ke horu cell asile that is 0.1 micrometer to 0.3 micrometer, and it is also known as what? PPLO, right? It is pleuropneumonia like organism. So mycoplasma is the smallest. Already we discussed that mycoplasma about, right? Mycoplasma we discussed that mycoplasma is the smallest cell without what? Cell wall. Without ki nasile cell wall ase. So mon rakhiba mycoplasma tumar ki hoy cell wall present na thake. So let me write again the smallest cell without cell wall. Without cell wall. Okay, smallest cell without cell wall. So it is found in plant cell, fungi, prokaryotes, but except prokaryotes kole sob nohoy. Bacteria ki hobo? Prokaryotes kole bacteria jodi ami ko bacteria tumar ki present thake? Cell wall present thake. Bacteria is also a smallest cell having what? Cell wall. But mycoplasma is also prokaryotes. Okay, it is also prokaryotes, but it is also smallest cell. Sabatke horu cell hoy, but yat ki hoy? Cell wall lack hoy, cell wall absent hoy thake. So mon rakhiba exceptions mon rakhiba, it's very important. Okay, so now jodi ami cell wall er kotha koi aso, that means that cell wall is present in plant cells, cell wall is present in fungi, cell wall is present in prokaryotes, but here the keneke cell wall already ami prokaryote cell pohislu that cell wall is there, right? That outer membrane eta ase, and hey outer membrane ki asile bacterial cell jodi ami pohislu when we studied about prokaryotic cell, that ki koisilo that cell wall present ase, and this cell wall is composed of what? This cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. So we'll discuss now about related to the composition of the cell wall to different in prokaryotes or in plant cells or in fungi. Okay, so first will be what? Cell in prokaryotes. In prokaryotes, or you can say in prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotes, the cell wall is made up of what? Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Clear? Important hoy composition la important hoy that prokaryotes cell wall keneke composed hoy both khini di dibo mon rakhiba aru discuss korim ki ase. So mon rakhiba peptidoglycan, it is composed of what? It is made up of peptidoglycan. The next is fungi. The cell wall is made up of what? It is made up of this is very important question hoy. It is made up of what? Chitin. Okay, it is made up of chitin. So fungi, the cell wall of fungi is made up of what? The cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. Then next is what? Plant. Okay, the next is what? Plant cells. So in plant cells, this it is made up of what? So the most important is it is made up of cellulose. Okay, maximum ki hoy besi bhag tomar ki hoy, it is composition is what? Is made up of cellulose. Not only cellulose, but aru beleg bostu ase like hemicellulose. Okay, hemicellulose. Then pectin. Okay, then pectin. Then water, lipid and proteins. Water, lipids and proteins. These all are what? Are the composition of plant cells. Okay, ebla ki hoy composition ki hoy plant cells. Ki asile composition of plant cells, that is cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, water, lipids and proteins. Clear? So this is the composition of what? Plant cells. Logot tomar extra substance deposit hoy in the plant cell. Beleg aru beleg substance hoy তোমার কি হয়, not only the composition of cell wall, তাত আৰু বেলেগ বেলেগ বস্তু থাকে. ওকে, সো এক্সট্রা কম্পোজিশন কি হ'ব পাৰে, লাইক তোমাৰ কিউটিন. ওকে, দিস অল আর what? এক্সট্রা সাবস্টেন্স ডিপোজিশন কৰিব পাৰা. এইবিলাক কি হয়? কিউটিন, সুবেৰিন. ওকে, কিউটিন, সুবেৰিন, lignin. These all are what? Extra substance deposition that are found in the plant cells. Clear? So আমি কি পালো prokaryotes তোমার cell wall is made up of or composed of peptidoglycan, and in fungi it is made up of what? Chitin, and in plant cell it is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, water, lipids and proteins, and also there are presence of extra substance deposition that is known as what? Cutin, suberin and lignin. Clear? So this is the plant cell. Now তোমার সেল প্ল্যান্ট সেল, ইফ উইল ডিসকাস অ্যাবাউট দি প্ল্যান্ট সেল, তাত তোমার কি হয় লেয়ার্স থাকে প্ল্যান্ট সেল ওয়ালত। ওকে, প্ল্যান্ট সেলত তোমাৰ কি হয় লেয়াৰ থাকে, এণ্ড এই লেয়াৰবিলাক কেনেকৈ ফৰ্ম হয় উইল ডিসকাস নাও। ওকে, clear? So now normally plant cell wall is composed of what? Cellulose. Okay, cellulose, that means cellulose তোমার কি মান থাকে 6000 D glucose. Okay, cellulose কি থাকে তোমার 6000 D glucose, and 6000 D glucose, that D glucose means what? Dextro glucose. এটা বায়োমলিকুলস পঢ়িবা চ্যাপ্টার, এটা ভালকে বুজি পাবা dextro কি হয়, লিভো কি হয়। Okay, so the cellulose is composed of what? 6000 D glucose. That means one molecule of cellulose consists of 6000 D glucose, and that one molecule of cellulose is known as what? কি হয় ফর্ম হয় তোমার? That is micelles. Okay, micelles. Okay, key form hoy micelles, and then micelles. Okay, and then after this micelles it will form what? Microfibrils. Okay, microfibrils, and then this microfibrils will form what? Macrofibrils. That means one molecules of cellulose, that is 6000 D glucose, will form what? Micelles, then will form what? Microfibrils, and then will form what? Macrofibrils. Eta hoy ki swa. Now tomar layer keneke form hoy, layer bila keneke form hoy etu koi aso, that hemicellulose tomar ki hoy, because macrofibrils, or you can say that microfibrils are forming from where? These all are forming from the cellulose. Now tomar hemicellulose ki hobo? Hemicellulose tomar arrangement hobo, কি হয় arrangement of this microfibrils bilakor. So arrangement of microfibrils in the hemicellulose will form what? Layer in the cell wall. Okay, so let me write that arrangement of, okay, arrangement of microfibrils in the hemicellulose okay, arrangement of microfibrils in hemicellulose will form what? Will form layers. Don't get confused. Okay, cellulose by তোমার কি ফর্ম হইছে? This microfibrils and macrofibrils. এই microfibrils bila কি হবো? hemicellulose কি হবো? arrange করিব। Like hemicellulose তোমার composition hemicellulose আছে এটা cell wall লগত তোমার কি ফর্ম করিব? This microfibrils bila arrange হবো, and this microfibrils যেতিয়া arrange হবো, then only it will form what? Layers. এতিয়া cell wall কেনেকুৱা layers থাকে? 3 types of layer মন ৰাখিবা। Plant cell wall, we are talking about plant cell wall. Okay, plant cell wall তোমার কিমান layers থাকে? 3 types of layer, that is primary cell wall, then secondary cell wall, then tertiary cell wall. Clear? So 3 types of cell wall are present in the plant cells, and layers to form hoy? Layers to form hoy by the arrangement of microfibrils in the hemicellulose, which will form what? Layers. Okay, layers means that tomar 3 types of layer thakibo, means that means we are talking about what? Cell wall. So that is primary cell wall, secondary cell wall and tertiary cell wall. So now we'll discuss about the plant cell wall. Okay, so we'll discuss now what? Plant cell wall. Because plant cell wall again, because we are talking about what? Eukaryotics, when we are talking about animal cell, that we plasma membrane both details of Puhido. So now we'll discuss about the what? In that is plant cell, that's the most important is what? Cell wall, because the function of the cell wall is what? It provides strength, it provides protection, and also it gives what? It provides framework, that is the structure to the cell. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the plant cell wall. Okay, so this is what? Plant cell wall. Now we all know that plant cell wall is made up of what? Cellulose. Mind rakhiye, the plant cell wall is made up of what? Cellulose. It is made up of cellulose. Clear? Now suppose now I will draw the cell wall, because mon rakhiba that cell wall kenuka present asile, cell wall structure. Okay, the animal plant cell no structure to mon rakhiba. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the two. Suppose cell wall, we are talking about cell wall, that means the cell wall, suppose ami jodi structure ako that Robert Hooke junto compartment to banaisile paisile, observe korisile under the microscope like this hexagonal asile, right? So this is what? This is the plant cell wall. That means this all are plant cell and iblak ki hoy cell wall hoy, right? Compartment blak ki hoy attach hoy ase. So like this only we will draw the plant cell wall. Okay, so this is cell A, suppose this is the cell A and this is the cell B. Okay, and this cell A, cell B are attached kenke cell wall attach hoy thake. This cell A and cell B, suppose the cells are attached by the middle lamella, means middle lamella ki kore rakhe, bind kori rakhe. Okay, duta cell kune bind kori rakhe, that is the middle lamella. So now this is what? This is middle lamella. Okay, now what is the function of middle lamella? Middle lamella is ki kore, tomar it act as a glue. Okay, it act as what? Glue or bind করে, bind কি করে, দুটা সেলক bind কৰি ৰাখে, কোনে কৰি ৰাখে, দুটা সেলক bind কৰি কোনে ৰাখি আছে, ইয়াত দুটা সেলক bind কৰি আছে তোমাৰ this middle lamella, and this middle lamella is composed of calcium or, okay, this middle lamella is composed of calcium or magnesium pactate. It's very important, mon rakhiba that a middle lamella ki thake, either calcium or magnesium ki thake, pactate thake. Duta cellok kune bind kori rakhi ase, that is middle lamella, and this middle lamella is composed of what? Calcium or magnesium pactate. Clear? Now then tomar ki ahibo, the first layer will form, that is the primary cell wall. So this is what? The primary cell wall. Okay, so this is what? Primary cell wall. Clear? This is what? Primary cell wall. Now a primary cell wall, okay, clear? This is what? Primary cell wall, and a primary cell wall is made up of more hemicellulose and less cellulose fibers. Okay, so mon rakhiba that a primary cell wall ki hoy, the composition to ki hoy primary cell wall maximum তোমার কি থাকে, হেমিসেলুলোজ থাকে, and less কি থাকে, কম কি থাকে, that is cellulose. Okay, so মনে রাখিবা that this is made up of, it is made up of more hemicellulose and less what? Cellulose. Clear? This primary cell wall is made up of what? More hemicellulose and less cellulose. আরেকটা কথা মনে রাখিবা, এই প্রাইমারি সেল ওয়াল ইজ অলওয়েজ কেনেকুৱা সেল থাকে, মেরিস্টেমেটিক সেল থাকে. মেরিস্টেমেটিক সেল মিন্স গ্লছত তুমি জানাই that তোমাৰ কি হয়, মেরিস্টেমেটিক সেলস থাকে, রাইট? দ্যাট ইজ টেম্পোরারি সেলস, পার্মানেন্ট সেলস থাকে. সো মেরিস্টেমেটিক সেলসত কি হয়, cells to permanent na thake, it is temporary, because cellular ki hoy ase division hoy thake. Okay, mone rakhiba the plant part of tumar only meristematic cell e ki kore division kore. That means meristematic cell jo present thakibo, it help for what? The growth of the plant. Okay, that is in the stem part. Stem of tumar kenuka thake, the root of the the tip of the stem of tumar ki thake, কেনেকুৱা সেল প্রেজেন্ট থাকে, মেরিস্টেমেটিক সেল প্রেজেন্ট থাকে. আর মেরিস্টেমেটিক সেলত তোমার কি হয়, দিস ইজ নট আ পার্মানেন্ট সেল. ওকে, মিন্স এবার সেলটো হোৱাৰ পিছত আৰু সেলটো ফর্ম নহয়, ইট ইজ আ টেম্পোরারি সেল. দ্যাট মিন্স তোমার কি হয়, সেল ডিভিজন হয়ে থাকে. ওকে, সো প্রাইমারি সেল ওয়ালত মন ৰাখিবা দ্যাট ইট ইজ মেড আপ অফ, ইট ইজ হোৱাট, ইট ইজ দ্যাট প্রাইমারি সেলস বিলাক কেনেকুৱা সেল হয়, মেরিস্টেমেটিক সেলস হয়. ওকে, সো দে আর কেনেকুৱা সেল, মেরিস্টেমেটিক সেলস. Primary cells wall কেনেকুৱা হয় সদায় মেৰিষ্টেমেটিক cells হয়, that means they are not permanent cell, they are temporary cell, that means they went for cell divisions, সিহঁতৰ কি হয় cell division হয়, primary cell সদায় কি হয় cell division হৈ থাকে সিহঁতৰ, okay, and is mainly made up of what hemicellulose and less what cellulose, clear. Now this is what primary cell wall. Now we'll talk about what secondary cell wall. It's a secondary cell wall or তোমার তিনটা part থাকে, means secondary cell wall or তিনটা layer থাকে, that is known as S1 S2 and S3. और যেনেকে primary cell wall direct attached হৈ থাকে, fully form থাকে, right, fully formed with the middle lamella, but secondary cell wall তেনেকে না থাকে, okay, মানে ভাগ কৰি কেনেকে থাকে, it's divided in form, in divided form থাকে, okay. So this is the secondary cell wall. Now the secondary cell wall is divided into 3 layers. So this is what? This is the secondary cell wall. And this secondary cell wall तुम्हारे कितने के layer থাকে, this is one S1, this is S2 and this is S3, okay, this is S1 S2 S3, clear, same S1 S2 S3 S1 S2 S3. So this is what? This is the secondary cell wall, okay. और यहाँ तो तुम्हारे केने के हम differentiate को design pattern to either they are longitudinally or vertically, clear. यहाँ तो design pattern to बेलेग থাকে. Clear? So this is a secondary cell wall, and secondary cell wall is composed of what? It is made up of more cellulose. Okay, it is made up of more cellulose. Primary cell wall and secondary cell wall key different. The primary cell wall it is made up of more hemicellulose, but secondary cell wall it is made up of more cellulose, okay, and less what? Hemicellulose. मान रखिएगा that तुम्हार की है secondary cell wall की है, it is made up of more cellulose and less hemicellulose, but primary cell wall की असले it is made up of more hemicellulose than less cellulose, opposite, okay. And primary cell wall की है cellular division होय থাকে, that means cell to केने को temporary cell. मान रखिएगा that meristematic cells are always what? Primary cells जेनु का है meristematic cell होय, okay. Now secondary cell की है they are permanent cell, okay. मान रखिएगा की है यहाँ permanent cell. means ever form হোৱাৰ পিছত আকৌ হেতৰ কোনো চেঞ্জ নহয়, so this all are what? Secondary cell wall কেনেকুৱা হয় permanent cell, আৰু primary cell wall কেনেকুৱা হয় temporary cell, clear. Now there is another one more layer, okay. One more thing, ইয়াত তোমাৰ secondary cell wall কি হয় তোমাৰ present থাকে কি extra substance depositions, right. extra substance deposition আমি discuss কৰিছো plant cell like cutin, suberin, lignin এইবিলাক কি হয় extra cellular what extra substance deposition, okay. In secondary cell wall তো present থাকে, that is what? Suberin, cutin and lignin, okay. Suberin, cutin and lignin is present in the secondary cell wall, clear. Secondary cell wall तुम्हारे की present থাকে suberin, cutin and lignin, clear. Now there is a form of another layer, that is the tertiary layer. A tertiary layer এনেকে form হৈ থাকে like this. This is the tertiary layer. So this is what? Tertiary cell wall, okay. This is tertiary cell wall, and this tertiary cell wall is also made up of what? Lignin, okay. It is composed of what? Lignin. And what is the function of this tertiary cell wall? It's a function of tertiary cell wall. What? It gives mechanical mechanical what? It gives mechanical, or you can say it provides mechanical strength. Okay, so it provides mechanical strength. Kune diye mechanical strength? This tertiary cell wall. Clear? All this is the what? This is the cell wall. Now tomar so yat space eta dekhise, right? Already me jete cell wall poislo tat ki paislo je tat tomar ki thake? The space thake, right? And this space is known as what? Pit. Okay, is space to ki koa hoy? Pit. Ar ek hi jagah tomar ki hoy? Pit membrane. So this region is known as what? Pit membrane. And after tertiary layer tomar ki aibo? Plasma membrane. So this is what? This is plasma membrane. So this is the structure of what? This is the structure of cell wall. Okay, this is the structure of cell wall, and the plant cell wall is made up of what? Cellulose. Clear? This plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. তোমার কি থাকে? Layer থাকে, primary cell wall, secondary cell wall and tertiary cell wall. Okay, so তোমার দুটা cell কোনে attach কৰি ৰাখে? Middle lamella. Primary cell wall কেনেকুৱা থাকে? fully formed হৈ থাকে, develop হৈ থাকে to the what? To the middle lamella, and it is composed of what? More heavy cellulose and less cellulose. Whereas secondary cell wall, it is made up of what? More cellulose and less hemicellulose. Okay, and tertiary cell wall, it is made up of lignin. Okay, and it provides what? It provides mechanical strength. It provides mechanical strength. Okay, and there is a form of what? Space, that is known as what? Pit, and that membrane thake, that is known as what? That is known as pit membrane. So this is the structure of plant cell wall. Now what is cell wall formation? Keneke hoy? Okay, it is cell wall or formation keneke hoy? So mon rakhiba, cell wall formation ketia hoy? At the time of cytokinesis. Cell wall formation ketia hoy? At the time of cytokinesis. So formation of cell wall. So cell wall formation ketia hoy? During the time of what? Cytokinesis. Cytokinesis jana jete daughter cell form hoy, right? It is a cytoplasm. Okay, during the time of cytokinesis. Cytokinesis time of tomar ki hoy? Cell wall form hoy. The cell wall keneke form hoy? Suppose this is the structure. Okay, cell division hole, daughter cell form hole. Okay, daughter cell form hole tomar yat eta cell plate thake. Okay, ki thake? Cell plate. So this is what? Cell plate. Okay, that ki thake? Cell plate. And this cell plate is made up of what? The cell plate is made up of phragmoplast. Okay, this cell plate is made up of phragmoplast. Let me write here. Phragmoplast. Okay, this cell plate is made up of phragmoplast, and a phragmoplast ki form kore? Calcium or magnesium pactate. That means a phragmoplast calcium or magnesium pactate jetia form koribo, that means the formation of what? The formation of middle lamella. Okay, the formation of middle lamella. Clear? So this is only what? The formation of cell wall. Mon rakhiba, cell wall formation ketia hoy? During the formation of cytokinesis. That means jetia cell division hobo, daughter cell form hobo, at that time tomar ki hobo? Formation of cell wall. Okay, and keneke hoy? Tat tomar cell plate thake, or a cell plate keneke form hoy? Is made up of phragmoplast, and this phragmoplast is what? Is the pieces of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies kobo para, and also it secrete what? Calcium pactate or magnesium pactate, which is from what? Middle lamella. Clear? So this is the what? Structure of plant cell wall and the formation. Now we'll discuss about the function of the cell wall, which is very important. Okay, function of cell wall. Function of cell wall. So first function already we followed it. Jete am discuss korilu about the cell wall at the first. Then what is this? Ki asile? It is the rigid structure functions. Okay, the first will be what? It is rigid structure which provides shape to the cells. It is rigid structure. Structure to mon rakhiba kenekwa hoy? Rigid hoy plant cell wall. Okay, and provide shape, okay, provide shape to the cells. This is the first function. Now what about the second function? Second function is what? Primary layer, right? Primary layers helps in enzymatic reaction. That means that primary cell wale ki form kore, helps in what? Enzymatic reaction. That means jiman enzymes bila present thake, that are present in the primary cell wall. Okay, enzymatic reactions. Number 3. So normally ki hoy cell hoy, right? Water transportation hobo ihotor, right? Because cell wall pa tumar ki hobo? Water transportation hobo. এতিয়া water যদি move করে from cell wall to the cell wall, মন ৰাখিবা, the movement of water from the cell wall এটা হয় দুটা ফাংশন আছে movement of water বেলেগ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ, এটা কেনেকৈ হয়, এটা হয় water movement হয় from cell wall to the cell wall, okay, আৰু এটা হয় কেনেকৈ through plasmodesmata, that means from the cytoplasm to the cell, inside the cell to the cell, okay, cellৰ পৰা to ভিতৰৰ পৰা in the cell to the another cell, that is what দুটা movement হৈ আছে, এটা ডাইৰেক্ট cell wallৰ পৰা এটা cellৰ ভিতৰৰ পৰা সোমাই গৈ আছে, okay, so through plasmodesmata, because তোমাৰ তাত cellৰ ভিতৰত কি থাকে, plasmodesmata presence থাকে, okay. Now দুটা থাকে, এটা কি হয়, the movement of water from the cell wall to the cell wall, okay, আর এটা কি হয়, the movement of water, okay, that means water enters into the cell, you can write like this, the water enters into the cell through plasmodesmata, okay, through plasmodesmata means এটা cellৰ ভিতৰদি গৈ আছে water, আৰু এটা cell wallৰ পৰা গৈ আছে, cellৰ ভিতৰৰ পৰা যোৱা নাই, so দুটা বেলেগ বেলেগ movement হৈ আছে নাই, so from cell to cell, so যোনটো তোমাৰ cell wallৰ পৰা cell wall গৈ আছে, that is known as what? It's important, apoplast, okay, this is what? Apoplast, okay. And next is what? That is from through plasmodesmata from cell to cell, which is what? Symplast. Clear? Don't get confused from apoplast and symplast. Apoplast ki hoy tumar? Apoplast hoy water movement hoy from cell wall to cell wall, and symplast ki hoy water movement hoy into the cell through plasmodesmata from the cell to cell. Okay, this is what? Symplast. So আমি কি ফাংশন পালো, that এই চাৰিটা ফাংশন পালো, লগত আৰু ফাংশন আছে, that is তোমার cell wall যদি present থাকে, means due to the presence of cell wall, they have the plants have very great height, okay. কেনেকৈ মই বুজাই আছো, cell wall like suppose কিবা বস্তু তুমি like showpiece এটা থৈছা, এনেকৈ normal showpiece cuboid shape of showpiece হয়, okay, এনেকৈ থৈ দিছা, okay, এটা নৰ্মেল হাইট হৈছে, বাট সেই কিউবইড শ্বপিংছবিলাক যদি এটা কাৰ্টুন বক্সত থৈ দিয়া, ওকে, এক্সট্ৰা লেয়াৰ ফৰ্ম কৰি আকৌ তাক তেনেকৈ এৰেঞ্জ কৰি দিয়া, তে কাৰ হাইট কম্পেৰিজন টু কাৰ হাইট বেছি হ'ব, য'ত তোমাৰ কি আছে এক্সট্ৰা কাৰ্টুন আছে, ৰাইট. চ' ডেটছ ৱাই তোমাৰ কি চেল ৱাল চেলটো আছে, লগত তোমাৰ কি চেল ৱাল আছে, সেইকাৰণে তোমাৰ যদি চেল ৱাল প্ৰেজেণ্ট থাকে, তে তোমাৰ গছৰ প্লেণ্টৰ প্লেণ্ট এটাৰ হাইট বহুত বেছি, সেইকাৰণে প্লেণ্টবিলাকৰ হাইট কিয় হয়, ইমান টল কিয় হয়, জাষ্ট ডিউ টু দ্য প্ৰেজেঞ্চ অফ হোৱাট, cell wall. So next লিখিব পাৰা, due to the presence of cell wall, the plants get number 5 na, due to the presence of what, cell wall, the plants get great height. Clear? ইহঁতৰ গছবিলাক ইমান লম্বা কিয় হয়, just because of the presence of what? Cell wall. Due to the presence of cell wall, the plant get great height. Okay? ইয়াত তোমাৰ লগত তোমাৰ কি present থাকে, the what? Extra deposition substance, right? Like cutin, suberin and lignin. এতিয়া cutin, suberin and lignin কি কৰে? Cutin and suberin or function কি? It prevents what? Water loss. Okay? It prevents water loss হোৱাৰ কাৰণে প্ৰিভেণ্ট কৰে কোনে কৰে দ্যাটছ কিউটিন এণ্ড চুপাৰিন নাও হোৱাট এবাউট দিছ লিগনিন কি কৰে ইট গিভছ মেকানিকেল strength or you can say it provide what mechanical strength or support so it gives mechanical strength to the cell okay so this is the what this is the function of what cell wall okay this is the function of cell wall so adikane mane thank you